Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to dip your toes into investing, today's video is perfect for you. We're going to cover how to buy Vanguard ETFs in a simple, step-by-step way. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like a basket of stocks or bonds that you can trade on the stock market, and Vanguard is one of the most trusted names out there because of their low fees and reliable performance. First things first, why choose Vanguard ETFs? They're great for beginners because they offer diversification at a low cost, helping you spread out your risk across hundreds of assets. But before you dive in, remember that investing always carries risks, like market fluctuations, so only use money you can afford to lose. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. You'll need this to buy ETFs. Options like Vanguard's own brokerage, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab are user-friendly and often have no minimums for ETFs. If you're new, sign up online. It usually takes just a few minutes. Step 2. Do your research. Vanguard has a ton of ETFs, like the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI, for broad exposure, or the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VU, for large U.S. companies. Check their expense ratios, historical performance, and how they fit your goals. Step 3. Fund your account. Link your bank account and transfer some money in. This is straightforward, but make sure to verify everything to avoid delays. Step 4. Place your order. Log into your brokerage app or website, search for the ETF by its ticker symbol, and hit Buy. You can choose market orders for immediate purchase or limit orders for a specific price. Finally, once you're in, keep an eye on your investments and rebalance as needed. That's it. You've just taken a big step toward building wealth. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.